Hey guys, Albert here with Mainland Cycle Center. Today we've got an unboxing for you on the 2021 Kawasaki ZX10RR. That's a ZX1002 NMF-NL. Alright, so we got Delbert and Andrew here going to undo it. Alright guys, let's do it. So 2021 ZX10R, MSRP on this bike, $28,999. Quite expensive. A few things that help push that price up on it. One is connecting rods. This has connecting rods by Pankel. They're made out of titanium. Those connecting rods are $2,000 a piece, and so very, very expensive. So they bring it in here with a forklift long ways and they spin it around so they can roll it off the crate. This has forged wheels, aluminum forged wheels by Marque. Of course it's in green. RPM on this bike, redline I should say, is 400 RPM higher than on a standard ZX10. This also has different cams and different pistons. On the pistons on this bike, they took away a piston ring, and that reduced the piston height by 33 millimeters, which is an inch or so, and so that's quite a lot. But reducing that piston ring, removing that piston ring, of course, with the shorter piston allows for less mass moving down, and then also reduces friction in the cylinder. And then as well, the pistons are coated with a DLC, diamond-like coating on the pistons to prevent wear. And of course this is an electrofusion or a Nikasil or some kind of a line cylinder. I mean, this does not have a steel cylinder bore. This also has better Brembo brakes. I believe these are going to be the Stylema Brembos on the front with braided brake lines. The Showa balance-free suspension comes with the Solo cowl. Does have LED turn signals. Of course, these guys are professionals. They put together lots and lots of motorcycles, and they're doing it quick for the video. This one is sold. We tried to order 3 of these. We had several deposits on these, and we were only able to get the one. Look at that. So I've got a windshield to put on. I've got to put the battery on a charge. Got to add some fuel. Got to wipe down the brake discs real good. They put an oil on the brake discs so they don't get corroded in transit and in the crate. And then we will, looks like the bar end weight needs to be installed. And we also got to hook this to our laptop and make sure there's no updates and do that. So a few things left to do before we can crank it up. But there's your ZX10RR. Turn signals in the mirrors like we've seen on ZX10s for a while now. Ram air duct. Little marker like there. The Kawasaki River mark on the dash there. Olin's electronic steering dampener. Serious stuff. The new LCD display. It's got a little film that'll get removed there. A couple more protective deals. This does also have quick shifter, and it is up and down on the quick shifter. Stock exhaust, quite good looking. This is a titanium alloy exhaust system on these, so very nice header on these right out of the factory. I really love this solid green. I think it's, I don't know, a little less busy, very traditional. I dig it. Brembo front brake master cylinder to go with those Brembo front brakes. Let's see what it has in the back. We're going to have a Nissan caliper in the back. Comes standard with the little tank protector there. Also, these have standard electronic cruise control for 2021. So electronic cruise control is standard. These, of course, have traction control. There is 3 power modes: full power, mid power, and low power, as well as 5 traction control modes. Now there's rider modes that let you go in there and select whatever traction control you want, whatever power mode you want. So literally you could turn the traction control off and have it in rain mode if you wanted. Full power mode or low power mode. But there's some rider modes that you can select that kind of pair those traction control with the power mode. So if you put it on rain mode, it's going to put you in the low power setting. That kind of thing. No passenger foot pegs on this one. So on this side, just this bracket is purely an exhaust support. Andrew's gonna get the battery out so we can get it on a charge and make sure it's 100%. Looks like it does come with a little bit of a tool kit. Who knows what's in there? There we go. Alright, so there's where the battery's gonna go. The actuator here for the exhaust valve. So there's a valve and exhaust that can open and close. Provide a little bit of engine braking, I suspect. That's what they're doing there. These are, of course, a 6-speed transmission, but these are a cassette type transmission. So the transmission, the gearing can be changed for race scenarios, or if you were to need a repair, you can remove the transmission without removing the motor from the frame and without doing a complete engine teardown. So that's pretty cool. ZX10RR logo there. LED headlights on these. Let's see, what else can we tell you about the 2021 ZX10RR? Pretty cool bikes. If you want to go road racing, this is definitely it. Definitely it. And you know, gives you a pretty good head start. And you can add the Kawasaki race cams. So they have some more aggressive cams to this bike. I believe that is what this customer intends to do. I don't think he's going to road race it. I think he's more going to do some street racing possibly. But yeah, very, very cool. All right, well, that's a look at the 2021 Kawasaki ZX10R. Thanks for watching. Come by and see us soon.